everyone, so today I'm going to be planning from February 12th through the 18th, and of course it is Valentine's Day week. Valentine's Day is very special with my husband and I because that's the first time that he told me that he loved me, and my response was, thank you. We were only dating for like 9 days when he told me, and I was just like, okay. Yeah, I'm not ready for that. But this was my last week. I will still be posting this. I know it's extremely late, but to be completely honest with you, I really don't have a reason why. The only reason why is because Tuesday I was exhausted because I worked a 11-hour shift, and then the following day I had a creative meeting that extended from the time that I was supposed to be there. I was supposed to be there from 7 to 9, but I decided to stay till 9:45 and chat with people, which is very rare. So I kind of wanted to be kind of more focused on life and not be so involved with digital life, if that makes any sense. But yeah, this was my week. I haven't completed Saturday and Sunday just because they haven't come up yet. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump right in with this kit. So this is on the Two Little Bees kit, which is absolutely beautiful. This is the freebie that is a collab with Once More with Love. These are the full boxes, page flags, headers, icons, bows, labels, and clip art. Your weekly side tracker, checklist, headers, icons, headers, half box, habit trackers, hello weekend, dots, bill dues, and then some flag labels. Then you have your headers and your littles, your full heart checklists, and this is new. This is very new. It's a labeler for your sidebar, and then some flags, and then your clipboards, and then your half boxes, and then your date covers, and some washi, some labels, and then a bottom washi. And then you have your bottom washi with the bows, and then you have your washi and some labels. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I usually get 2 weeks worth out of Maria's kits, so that's why I usually buy them, and I end up biting the bullet on the price because they usually end up lasting me much longer than what anybody else's do. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm just very nervous about this, to be completely honest with you, because this is a new layout with the washi. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so like I mentioned, I was very nervous about this, but this actually came out a lot better than what I thought. I did have to plan it out a little bit better next time if she does decide to bring this back, because I didn't really think about putting the bow in the middle, and I realized that this strip was a little bit shorter at the end than a normal washi strip for the bottom. So I went ahead and took that off, and I placed it back down, and it came out great. I just ended up doing some whiteout, as you see here, so that you don't end up seeing any of the dots. So I think it came out pretty cute. It just, I've noticed with the matte paper, with Maria's matte paper, once you lift it up, the stickiness kind of goes away a little bit, but it was enough for it to stay down. Okay, now that I brought you in a little bit closer, I'm putting on the headers, and I got these from Paper Blush Bar. I love her shop so much, but she hasn't restocked these in a bit, so I need to grab some if she does decide to bring these back, because I love these so much. I think I'm gonna probably end up getting them in every metallic color that she has, because her foil is just so good. It for me, it doesn't crack whenever I try to lift it up or anything like that. I know with some, if you stretch it too much, which I'm a person that I like to stretch my stickers, especially if I'm putting them down as headers. I don't know if that's just me, if I'm just too rough with them, but they never break on me, which I love. Now I'm putting down the full boxes. I love February. I have always loved Valentine's Day since I was really young. I don't know. I think it's just like being a kid, you always think about your Valentine and stuff. But before I get into that, I did bring these checklists from Paper Blush Bar as well. And I'm cutting off the bottom one because I am not liking the way it's coming out now whenever the checklists are going over the lines. So I wanted to make sure that they didn't, so I went ahead and cut off the bottom ones. Um, but I just remember being a kid and you take that so serious when you were like crushing on somebody and you thought about what card you were going to get them and your best friends and all of that. I just think it's so cute and I don't know if I ever grew out of it. um, but yeah, I'm just putting down the full boxes now. I was trying to alternate them between the gray, the pink, and the bright pink. So yeah. I know I was out last week. Yeah, I think it was last week. Um, but I was really busy last week. I don't know what ended up happening, but I feel like I lost complete track of time and I never made it to upload my video. But I still am going to upload that video. I know I'm very late on that, but um I think it was a beautiful kit and I really want to show it. So I'm still going to upload it. I'm also about to upload my monthly view for January and for February. So y'all are about to get a ton of videos this upcoming week and next week. So look out for that. Okay, so I went ahead and placed a flag down and I ended up lifting this. Wednesday was just a really hard day for me to kind of place down for some reason. I don't know what it was. But I ended up lifting that black flag and I ended up getting that icon from Paper Blush Bar. And that gray kit, I'm not the kit, but the square is from the kit and the heart is from Clever Gal Crafts. I'm now alternating the washies and I actually didn't notice that I did this until I put down the third one up top and I was like, oh, well, I can just alternate it so that the lines don't show. I really hate those lines. I don't know what it is about those lines, but I just do not like them, but we all have to deal with them. I think I'm going to end up changing the style of my planning to how it was way back in the day where it was kind of all scattered around everywhere. But now you're going to start seeing me lift up things and try to change them around and it's going to get a little bit hectic and it's going to look a little bit crowded, but we're going to go with it. So I ended up picking up this polka dotted washi from Simply Gilded. I love this bow. I actually traded it with somebody um, on the Facebook group. So here you are. I am lifting up that flag and I'm trying to figure out, you'll probably see me pull out like 4 different stickers trying to figure out what I'm going to do here. Here we go. Here's one. Nope, don't like it. Let's cut this one. Put it down. Nope, don't like that either. I'm gonna end up lifting that one too. So I think I thought, okay, I'm gonna be good with this. And then I ended up placing this half box down from the kit. I loved the half boxes in this kit. I don't know what it was. I think it was a floral. I think they were so beautiful. And I pulled up this flag and I thought that came out really cute, but it kind of, I don't know, it threw me off that it was outside of the lines. So I decided to lift it up and put it over the box and then put a little car on top of it. I have to go to the dentist 3 times in a row, guys. I I was really afraid of the dentist when I was younger. Uh, Somebody that my mom had took me to, I was really young, and ever since then I've been really afraid, and I did not go to the dentist for years. And I know that sounds really bad, but still. So as you see the little munchkin up top, that's from Once More with Love. The Bill Do is from the kit. The gym icons are all from the kit. The laptop is from the kit. The munchkin on this side was from the kit. It was a freebie. And yeah, you see me lift that up once again, and I think I end up placing down this washi, and then I saw that they had a Valentine's Day sticker, so I ended up placing that, and the letters ended up coming from the freebie as well. I pulled this Me Time sticker from Paper Blush Bar, and I love those, and I keep forgetting that I have them. So now I'm starting to work on my sidebar, so I'm going to talk about the dentist thing really quick. But they told me I had cavities, and they had told me last year, and we didn't have really the money for it, so we just kind of went off on it. And they had told me that because I had spent so long of not going to the dentist, I had got all these cavities and stuff, and I have to go 3 times in a row, and I was so afraid. I hate the drill because that's what the guy ended up scarring me with. Is he was talking to his assistant or something. I remember this, and the drill kind of went on the side of my lip and kind of tore my lip. Oh my god, I was scarred for life after that. So now I have to go back 3 more times because of me being afraid. But the date covers are from Rose Colored Days, and the page flags up top are from Clever Cow Crafts. I don't think Maria actually puts any flags, but the ones from Clever Cow Crafts are like perfect. They go over them really nicely. It does say that I need to write a letter, so for Valentine's Day, I decided to make a gift for my husband that I write a letter to him every single day until Valentine's Day, and so I gave it to him on the 1st of February, so mostly every day, as long as I remember, I am writing him a letter. So well, we had to do that when we were younger, and that was like one of his favorite gifts, so I thought I should bring it back. So I'm now filling everything out. How was everybody's weekend? It is now Sunday, and today was kind of chill. It was my cousin's baby shower, so it was kind of fun. Completely forgot about it though, not gonna lie. But yeah, last week was a really hectic week. This past week was really hectic, so I loved this kit so, so much. I think Maria just has like such a feminine way of making such beautiful kits. They're just amazing. I love her kits so, so much. I wish you could make like 3 different kits a week and I'd probably go broke trying to buy all of them. It's insane. So I think I finally finished here. Let's see, what am I trying to do? Okay, so now I'm placing down some deco, and I think it cut me off here. It did. So now I'm going to start placing some deco up top. And this book, I really wanted it because I thought the flower up top of the books were so cute. They just weren't fitting, so I needed to put something different. So I ended up putting down the smaller ones here. And I think putting deco on the top is so cute, but the deco on this kit was like fairly large, so you had to cut some of it off. I was still trying to make this book happen. And I was like, okay, well, we'll just put it here. And I ended up cutting off like my favorite part, which were the flowers. But some of them made it in, so. And I loved that little clip sticker. I think it was like the cutest thing ever. It was so adorable. But the thing that I love about Maria's kits is that they're so large that you could use it for 2 full weeks in an Erin Condren, and then another set for a traveler's notebook. And her kits are just so massive. They're amazing. I love them. And you'll see all that I have left. In that set, I forgot to put down the headers and the little things. So that was a freebie, the full boxes, the functional, the washi, the extra, the full boxes with the checklist, and then the extra was functional again. So it was massive. And look how cute this kit came out. This is one of my favorite kits for sure. I loved it so, so much. And I ended up pulling out the washi again because I thought I needed a little bit of balance because it kind of looked weird that the black was just on that side and nowhere else. So I was like, yeah, I'm going to do it over here. Then I tried to cut it with my scissors. I really need to just buy an X-Acto knife. And so I ended up just bringing my nifty little Speedies card. If you live in Houston, Speedies is just like a really fun go-kart place with an entertainment, and it kind of looks like really old and stuff, and it really is old, but it's a lot of fun. But yeah, that was my spread, and I hope you enjoyed. And please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.